Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Wait to see what I got. This is something that we've talked about before that I was going to get to show you guys to see if it's any good. Now I got it. It is expensive, but it was worth it for you guys to see if it's any good. Now hopefully, if it is good, it'll last me even longer than my other thing that I have. So I'm going to start out like I did with my other lawnmower video, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in the vehicle, so you know if you want to use a vehicle like I got to go get it, or if you need a truck. So stick around, I'm going to show you exactly what it is. All right, as you can see, I'm using a Subaru Crosstrek here, and there it is. Don't look at my messy car, but that's it right there, guys. It is in my Subaru. So I'm going to measure real quick like I did on the Ego video and see how long this is, so we can see if it'll fit in your car. All right, we got it right about 38 inches. 38 and a half, actually, to be exact. It is, the length, or the width rather, is exactly 2 foot. And it is, how high? It is 15 inches high. Now it is pretty heavy, so you might need 2 people. I can do it by myself, but it's better to get 2 people. But this is what it looks like right here in your vehicle, so you can see about how long it is and everything that potentially you need to know about it. I'm going to tell you here in just a second. All right, I decided to break in the video and tell you the specs of this, because I wasn't going to do it until after I did the first cut, but I'm going to do it right now. So the assembled depth is 38.5 inches, assembled height is 15, assembled width is 24, blade length is 21 inches, front wheels are 7, the mower deck is 21 inches, the rear wheels are 9 inches. There's 2 10 amp hour batteries. I'm reading it right off the website here. Lithium ion, of course, Dewalt. 20 volt. Comes with 2 chargers. It takes about 2.5 hours to charge them. Now, if you got batteries like I do, no problem, right? Because I've got like literally a lot of batteries. So, 6 position cutting height. Bag, mulch, and rear discharge. I have the discharger on there now. It does work really nice so far. I obviously haven't kind of grasped yet, but it clamps a lot easier to me than the Ego. But I'm not saying that the Ego is bad, so I'm just saying right now. So the deck material is 15 gauge steel. The deck type is stamped, rear wheel drive, adjustable cutting height, bagger, electronic ignition, high wheel, variable speed, self-propelled, of course. Maximum cutting height is 4 inches. Minimum is 1.5 inches. Batteries, number of batteries required is 1. Number of blades, it says number of batteries required 1. I tried to do 1, it wouldn't work, so maybe I wouldn't hold my mouth right, I don't know. We'll see after I mess around with it. Number of batteries total included is 2. It weighs 83 pounds, so keep that in mind when you're loading this, like I told you when I got out of the car. So it's good for slope terrain. It's a 90-day returnable. It's good for up to 1 acre of land on a cut. Now that obviously depends on how high your grass is. So it is a self-propelled, obviously. You have 3-year limited warranty. Now I will say that I kind of mentioned with that key, I'm going to tie it onto the handlebar because I don't know for a fact, but there's a lot of vibration potentially, and I don't want that key to fall out or somebody pull it out and then I lose it, because I'm sure that key is pretty expensive, just like my snowblower key. If you lose a snowblower key, you're out and you got to buy their key. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to tie a little string around there, and you'll see when we go cutting. That way, if it does come out for whatever reason, it's going to be hanging there swinging. So I'm not going to keep it like locked in there all the time. I don't think that's probably safe. But anyway, regardless, that's what I'm going to do. So I always have it on there. I don't have to worry about finding it. So, all right, let's get back to the video. All right, we are going to bust this thing open. It's starting to rain, of course, and it is kind of chilly out here, but we're going to bust it open and we're going to see what it looks like inside here. So hopefully I can get this done before the rain. It wasn't supposed to rain, but here we are. So let's look and see what we got here. I've had this for like 2 weeks and it's still winter, so the grass is really not grown yet, but it's time to get this thing out of here. So we're going to use this just as soon as the grass starts to grow. I got a little grass growing, actually. I can't really say I don't have any grass growing, but I have a little grass growing, but it's not really what I would consider awesome. Now here is the blade system. Now this one here, as you can see, has 4 blades on it, where my Ego did not. So I think it's, yeah, it's a metal frame here, so as you can see. And the 4-blade system hopefully will do a lot better than my 2-blade system. Now I'm going to do exactly like I did last time. I'm going to let my grass grow a little bit high and then cut it. So we'll see how that acts when we do that. Now I'm not a big fan of the bag, so I'm going to go ahead and toss that to the side because I don't bag my stuff. So hopefully I have some kind of a chute I can put on there to throw the grass to a different way. So it's not too bad once you get it out of here. Let me go ahead and get everything out real quick. Comes with 2 batteries. It must be in the unit already. Let me move this out of the way so I can stay in frame here. Let's see what we got here. Now, you know, typical guy, I don't read any directions, so I'm going to see if I can figure out how to get this handle up without reading the directions. Probably super easy, but give me a second. I'll be right back. There's a little button right here. Unlock and lock. All you do is push it, boom, unfolds. So there we go. It has 2 10-amp-hour batteries, which I believe are right here. There's the directions, couldn't find them. I just had to figure it out on my own, but this is where they go. Here's the 2 10-amp-hour batteries. Pretty good sized batteries, guys. So go ahead and open them up. I doubt that they're charged, but they got 1 bar charge on them. Well, at least this one does. So we'll put it in here just to see. The reason why I decided to get a Dewalt, obviously there's a couple reasons. So, first of all, I have tons of batteries, because that's all I have is Dewalt stuff. Secondly, these batteries are not nearly as expensive as the Ego batteries. Now, the Lawnmower was a little more expensive, and here's the chute diverter. Thank goodness, because without that, you know, I don't know. I do not bag my grass, so. All right, let's turn this sucker on and see what it sounds like. It took me forever to find where the key goes, so it's actually up underneath the handle. I had to read the directions. So it's not a very good thing. I think what I'll do is I have to add some kind of a tie wrap or something, not to leave it tie wrapped in here, but just so it hangs here so I don't lose it, because if you lose that, game over. All right, let's start it up and see what happens. Very quiet, you can probably tell. I got low grass. Not bad. My first impressions is very good so far. Very quiet. I think it's even quieter than my Ego. So this is what it looks like on the front here. As you can see, it's got the bars, tells you how much power is left. Obviously there's none because battery's dead, but you can see, so I got to charge the batteries, but you got your speed right here. This is where it goes. This is your go button. So pretty neat so far. Sorry for the wind and the dogs barking, but yeah, so far I like it. You saw it fold down pretty nice, so this is my first impression. I'm gonna go inside because it's starting to rain, and we'll finish the video out. All right, so obviously the first part of the video, as you saw, it's outside. Gotta finish it in here because it is actually starting to rain pretty good out there now. So, so far I think it's all right. It's a lot different than the Ego I have. What I'm gonna do is, the very first time I use this lawnmower, I will definitely bring it to you guys. First cut unseen, like I said, I'm gonna let my grass grow in the backyard because it grows the highest. Let it grow up, kind of like I did in the first Ego lawnmower video. If you want to check that video out, I'll leave it at the end of the video so you can see it. But I'll let the grass get that high, we'll cut it, we'll see what it does. Hopefully, it does at least as good or better than the Ego. Like I said, I got hundreds of batteries for this lawnmower. I like the way it looks. At first, pictures of it made it look kind of ugly, but it's not too bad once you get it out here in the open. So, you know, there's a lot of pluses to this. It's got a metal deck, obviously. It's got 4 blades. They look pretty nice so far. They're very sharp, so that's a good thing. You know, I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. First impressions are really good, but like I said, still got I still have to charge the batteries. Still got to make that first cut, so I'll know for sure. So we'll see. It was expensive. You know, I'll leave a link down below where you can check it out. It is March the 9th, today, so this will be out very soon, this video, so within 2 weeks. And I think there's a sale up until, I want to say June. Not 100% certain, but I think there is. I'll leave the link down below. You can check the Lawnmower out, decide if you want it or not. You know, 2 10-amp batteries are pretty nice. You know, like I said, I've got hundreds of Dewalt batteries. So, all right, I'm gonna leave it right here. This was my first impression. You guys saw me get it out of the box. It's easy for one man or one woman to hold. Very nice and quiet. It's even quieter than my Ego for sure. I'm pretty 100% positive. And you know, right now I can't say nothing bad about it. So we'll see. It's got a lot of adjustments on it, and that's what I like. So hopefully this will last me with the metal, because right now the Ego is great, but I needed this for a comparison, so that's why I got it. All right, I'm gonna leave it right here, guys. I'm gonna leave the video for the Ego right here if you want to check it out. Click on that video. You guys will make your own decision, the size and everything, the weight. You guys can see me getting it out first time, just like I did this video. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. God bless, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a great day.